My name is Lauren Addison with Heroes USA here with Draisey. Tell us a little about your role here with ServiceMaster and what that does.
So I am a Vice President of Field Operations and Local Sales. So a lot of what that means is me and my team are often working directly with our franchisees, consulting them on how to grow their business.
So Drew, why is the sales role so important to the continued growth of the network for ServiceMaster?
We have a lot of carrier partners, and through these meetings, they've shared with us the importance of having that local relationship. And if we're going to continue to grow and foster those relationships, we need our franchises and our ServiceMaster Restore businesses to continue to invest and hire these high quality individuals to really push our network forward and to own those relationships in their local markets.
Drew, what kind of training and support do you guys provide for new sales professionals?
So we've really invested over the last several years in really building out a strong onboarding and training program for new sales professionals. So in addition to ServiceMaster University training, we host in-person trainings to make sure that we're providing those new sales professionals all the knowledge they need to understand our industry and the types of customers we're going after. In addition to, we've invested in what we call field sales consultants that they can work with directly to help build that strategy, to better understand the market that they're operating in, to make sure that they got a plan that can succeed so they can be successful in their new role.
I know there are a lot of military spouses that are looking for purposeful, impactful, meaningful work, and it sounds like these sales roles would be able to incorporate the skill sets that they've already have and then be able to give them opportunities to grow.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, I think as a salesperson in our network, you're going to help the community you live in when people are impacted and need help. And then as you build those relationships, a lot of these roles are commission-based or have a commission component to it, which really gives you, as a sales professional, an opportunity to really have no ceiling to how much you earn based on those relationships and opportunities you bring in the door.
Awesome. Well, Drew, thank you so much for sharing everything you had about the sales roles with ServiceMaster and talking with us today.
Yeah, no, my pleasure.